Hi again, YouTubers. So today on Tip Tuesday, we are going to be talking about makeup sponges. You might be saying, what do I need to know about a makeup sponge that I don't already know? And this is something that I realized as I was washing my beauty blender, and I was like, how have I never noticed this before? So let's get into it. These are both beauty blenders, the brand Beauty Blender. I specifically used two of the same one so that I could talk to you about it. And the interesting part is I had been using this one. They are both used. I used this one today. This is the one that I had recently been using. And as you wash your beauty blender, you start to notice that it kind of gets a little bit of a different texture. And if you look right here, you might be able to see there starts to become little cracks in it. It almost looks a little bit more porous. It has little dots throughout it. And it just has more texture, is the only way I can explain it, of a feel to it. And I always thought, oh, it's just a beauty blender sponge. Like, that's fine, no big deal, and keep going. You can even see the difference to here to up here, where I have been using it consistently on this area and not as often in this area. You can tell it is not as porous or textured. So I never really paid attention to that. And one day I was like, all right, this one's starting to kind of fall apart. Probably a good idea to pull out the next one. So I pulled out the next one and I was insanely wowed by the difference of the application. I hadn't thought of that before. As this gets more textured, it applies the product more textured. So this one, when I pulled it out, I was like, oh my gosh, my foundation looks beautiful again. It looks so nice. It went on so evenly. It doesn't have any spots to it. How did I not realize that obviously as this gets more textured, it is going to not apply your product as well. So anytime you see your sponge as you are washing it, because you should be washing this after every use because it is damp and you want to get that out of there because the product is going to build up bacteria. But as you wash it, if you start to notice texture on it, and it is a different texture than how you started, it is time to replace it. You will thank me for this, and you will be like, oh my gosh, why did I not realize that this made such a difference in my foundation application? So it is the simplest little trick. And you can buy any type of beauty blender. I have beauty junkie ones that I absolutely love. These are beauty blenders, but any type you want, it doesn't matter. Just give this tip a try and let me know if that worked out for you as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Tip Tuesday. As always, if you are not yet subscribed, I would love if you click that little red button down below. And as always, guys, if you have any questions on anything I mentioned here, please put a comment down below. If you give this a try, I'd love to hear what you think of it. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.